Welcome to the Gonzo book. I am Jose. Shelly is cleaning some stuff up, doing some chores, and I did my chores already. But I got something from
the Cubicle.com.
So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what I got this time. Ooh, I got a 2x3x3, I think. I think that's what it is. By QiYi Toys or QiYi Toys.
QiYi.
Don't need the box.
QiYi.
It does come with directions, so I'm just going to keep that. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Oh yeah, I think this would be fun to solve. Yeah. I'm a big fan of QiYi Toys, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Nice.
QiYi.
You know what? I'm going to go ahead and let me turn it. It needs like a slight little bit of lube in it, but it actually turns pretty good. And I like the color. It has a different type of blue on there. More like a light blue, instead of a dark blue. But all the other colors, and then the light green. All the other colors are the same as a regular Rubik's Cube. Yeah. I'm going to mix it out and see if I can. I don't think it's that hard, but might not do it now, but let's see. Let me do my cross. Yep, blue. Where's blue at? Yep, blue. And then, yep, line them up. They're lined up. Nice.
1 hour later.
All right, so let me bring my cross up. And then bring, there you go. And then I can just flip it. So I got my blue side. Alright, I'm going to have to do this later on. But I kind of like it. It feels good. I like it that it's stickerless too, actually. Nice. Got the directions in case I need it. Alright, here we go. This is a 2x2x3. Nice. Also by QiYi Toys.
QiYi.
I'm not going to keep the packaging. Same color, light blue, light green, but everything else is pretty much the same. Yeah, I'm going to like this one too. Nice, and it's not too small. Oops. It's not too small. It's actually, the blocks are bigger than a regular. Yeah, definitely. So that's cool. Yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy this too. It turns really good. That's the logo. Same logo, I think? Yeah, should be. Yep, same logo. Alright, I got a MFJS 3x2x1. This is tile. This comes in this little box. Ooh, this is nice. Very smooth. I think I can solve this one. Let me see. Alright, so yeah. Like this. I'm gonna do the other side. Oh, there you go. Got it. Solved it. That's cool. I just needed it for my collection. Alright, here we go. Swift Block. What model is this? Swift Block Meglev UV 3x3 stickerless. So it doesn't really have a name. This is called Swift Block. And it should have version 1 and version 2 on there, I think. But because there is another version on there. So it's a nice little box. That's the Swift Block logo guy right there. I'm gonna go ahead and have the Swift Block logo mascot fight the Kaiju bear.
Warning. Warning. Kaiju has emerged from the depths.
So it's a nice box, and you have to tear it here. And whenever you have these perforated type tabs, you can never pull it at one time. Let's see if I can do it. See, you can never do it. You can never do it, no matter how much you try. All right, there you go. Comes in plastic. Now they said this is kind of like the cheaper version of a V100, GAN V100, and I believe GAN actually makes these too. You won't see GAN on here. Let's see if you see GAN somewhere. Oh yeah, manufacturer GAN Cube Incorporated. See it? It is on there. Well, let's see. I saw a lot of good reviews. Ooh, look at that. It feels beautiful. It feels like a quality cube. It's UV, right? Yeah, it has to be UV. Swiss block Meglev UV 3x3. So far, so good. How much is this? $23.99. I like it. Nice. Yeah, I like it. Black internals. It's kind of weird because they were saying it has black internals, but the edges are the double color, but the corners are the black. So it's kind of like they mixed up two cubes, kind of. I'm not sure if they're interchangeable. I'm not going to take my GAN V100 apart. Yeah, I'm not locking up. I mean, I think they can be a lockup. Let's see. Yeah, corner cutting is pretty good too. That wasn't bad at all. So there you go, Swift block. Nice. I like it a lot. Yeah. I'm really impressed with it. Yeah, I don't know what to compare it to. Let me get my V100 out. That's my V100 because I got that special cap. So. This doesn't feel the same. It looks the same. The cap looks exactly the same, so they might be interchangeable. They just don't feel the same to me. I don't know. This feels more like a furrier cord to me. No. Yeah, kind of a little bit. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna like it. So it's gonna be good to practice on. I like it. All right, what's next? All right, I got another card from
thecubicle.com.
Mini Cube or Mini Megaminx. Let me get to the proper name. The YJ Pocket Mini Megaminx 5.5 centimeter magnetic ball core. And I had a pre-order, but when I pre-ordered, they shipped it the next day. All right, I was jonesing for a new Megaminx, so I hope I like this one. All right, that's the packaging. Nice. Nothing too fancy, but it's nice. And it comes in with the foam, so it's not going to get damaged if you ship it. And when they're shipping it, it's probably not going to get damaged. Look how small that is. Whoa. Whoa, that is small. Feels good. Yeah, sometimes you can't see it. There you go. I don't know any algorithms per se, so I can't really turn it like those other guys can. It is very nice. I do lock up a little bit, but you know, it could be my experience. But I think if you wanted to take one with you on the travel day, this one would definitely be a good one to take if you didn't want to take a big one. And you wasn't going to a competition, of course. Would somebody use this during competition? I am not sure. There's always going to be one. But it feels nice. It's not UV. It feels nice and it turns good. So I'm happy I got it. I like it. Yeah. Cool. I'll solve that later. And that's the logo. Not sure if that's top or bottom, but that's the logo. Cool. So that's all I have. Don't know if I need that. That's all I have. Like I said, I'm going to put most of the information right here. If you're interested in any one of these puzzles and you have a question about them, comment down below and I'll try to answer them as best I can. And so that's the 2x2x3. This is the 3x3x2. This is interesting. I like this one a lot. And didn't solve this one yet, but I will. Gotta get there. And this is the 3x2x1. This is real smooth. I don't like the way it turns actually. So that's just, to me, that's just a good fidget tool. You really don't want to solve a big puzzle, but just grab this and let it get you going. That's it. And of course my flip flop. I like this a lot. For being a budget cube, yeah, I can see people using this during competition, but I think it's a great cube. It's a cheaper version of according to other people, of a GAN V100. And I think a GAN V100 is $39.99. And this is $22 something. $22.99 I believe, if I'm not mistaken. $23.99. So you can get this $15 cheaper. I like it. I do like it. I like the UV. I think the UV is great. I think I like the UV better on here than on here, actually, on the V100. But nice. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will answer them as soon as I can. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Yesterday, but I'll be okay somehow. The timer's ready, the cube's all waiting.